I'm out on Liam's boat and we're doing a bit of lure fishing for bass. We're going to be doing a lot of moving about, finding different areas to fish, shallow ground, in between boulders, over kelp, weed, you name it, we'll be fishing it. Now we're going to be after bass ideally, but might come into some wrasse or pollock possibly. Going to be fishing a variety of lures, and we'll tell you what we're doing as we're going through it. But yeah, Liam's fishing in the background, as you can see. It's a stunning day, perfect to be out on the boat, so hopefully we can find a few fish. So we're just motoring around at the moment, having a few flicks inshore around a few different areas. It's all pretty much rough ground we're fishing over, fishing things like that, shallow divers, close to the rocks, and seeing if we can find anything. First bass. That was a good take, eh?
Yeah, great take.
Only a little in. On the trusty patch. So, miniature little bass taken on the Pachenko. First little fish, hopefully we can find a few more. So at the moment we're fishing in between all little heads that are sticking out. Now we're about an hour after low water, so it's worth having a go here as the tide's flooding over. There's lots of weed sticking out, exposed weed, but there'll be a lot of fish hiding in amongst that weed. So by working a top water lure or a shallow diver, just either on the surface or just below, you're hoping that a fish is going to creep out that weed and hit the lure. Now I've got the Pachenko 140 on, and probably stick with that for a little bit. We'll see if we can find any bass. That was a really bad cast as well, eh? Bass number 2. Hit that before I had a chance to even turn the handle of the reel. Oh, we got another small bass there, again on the Pachenko. Now literally I had a really bad cast, we're fishing straight on into a headwind. There he goes back, right there. Yeah, I cast the lure out, and as soon as it hit the water I didn't even wind, bang, on. Liam's into a little bass. They're feisty, eh?
Yeah. Look at the size of this.
Yeah,
to the panic
they're tiny, but they're feisty. Nice. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm out with Jay and we're going to go out on his super dinghy. We're just getting sorted now, waiting for that tide to come in. We're going to be cruising around the bay today, doing a bit of lure fishing and throwing a few small baits about and seeing what we can catch. So hopefully it's going to be a good one. We're after absolutely anything today, could get a real mixed bag. That sun's going to come up pretty soon. We're going to start heading out there and we'll see what we can get. So that tide's coming in now. We're on the vessel, just waiting to head out, so it shouldn't be too long. Jay's over here sorting his rod out.
Yeah, hopefully we get some fish.
Hopefully, mate. It's a fairly nice morning. We've got a light northerly breeze. As you can see, that sun's coming up, so let's get out there, catch some fish. I've just been hit right next to the boat. It's only a small bass. There we go. First fish of the morning.
Nice.
All right, calm down, buddy. There we go. My first fish of the morning. Jay's had a little bass. And there's hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of garfish about. There we are. Nice little shiner there. Let's get him back in the water. So we're moored up now. We're going to do a bit of bait fishing. Now, what I'm using is just a little 2-hook flapper. These are the, I think these are size 4. Aberdeens on here. I'm just going to put a bit of ragworm on here, chuck it down, hopefully attract some bream or absolutely anything that wants to take it. So this is the ragworm that Jay got the other day, some nice size in there. Some of these big ones are probably just going to need half, so I'll just rip one in half like that. And then we'll just thread it onto the hook, get it in the water and hopefully see some fish. So there we go, that's all we're going to do. Got little bait stoppers on here, just half a worm on each hook. Let's get it in the water.
Nothing but big fish.
Yeah. There we go, we're on the bottom. I'm just using a 7-foot Penn Conflict. It's a bass rod. It throws up to 50 grams. It's a nice little rod to use off the boat, this. But like I said, 2-hook flapper, bit of ragworm. Hopefully they're on the bite. And we've got a first fish on. I think it could be a bream. Feels like a bream. Could be a wrasse. What we got? And it is a wrasse.
Not bad one, either.
There we go. Didn't take too long. And the hook's out. I got some, yeah. There we are. Lovely little ballan wrasse there. Getting back in the water. It'll take a second, he'll swim off just fine. Lovely job. We're back on the bottom. So this is our little setup whilst we're fishing. A couple of rods out the back there. Jay's just had another wrasse, a little black bream just before.
Not bad going so far, are we?
Not bad, only been fishing about 10 minutes, so... Whoa, there's a fish.
Hey, that's a fish.
There we go.
Live action.
Sorry.
Go for it, mate.
Oh, snagged me up.
Oh, no. You got him out. wrasse. Gonna get plagued with these things today, eh?
Yeah. Little wrasse there.
Lovely colours on that one.
Pulled out the snag. There we go. Just a little one. Hook knife through there in the side. Whoa! There we go. Off you go, mate.
Straight off.
Look at the size of that. Check out the size of this little guy. He'd do his bait. Almost the size of the lure, look. Greedy bugger.
Go up, do another trip.
Yeah? So back on dry land now. Jay's just taken the dinghy over to his little paddling dinghy. He's going to paddle to the shore. Now it really wasn't a successful trip at all. We only had a few fish between us. Small bass, small wrasse, small everything. So yeah, it's just one of those days. Bit tough going. We tried a few different marks, bait fishing. One of them we had a couple of small fish, and the other absolutely nothing. But still nice to get out anyway. Few hours out to sea in the morning, can't complain. But yeah, thanks very much for watching the video, and see you on the next one.